gorgeous people. Each month I'm going to put together a little collection of my favourite pictures, 10, 12 pictures across that month. You'll see me doing this silly little introduction, and I'll pop those pictures onto the video and out on my channel, and hopefully you'll appreciate the pictures and the effort I've put into getting ready. As you can see today, my hairdresser's bin, I've done the glorious makeup, lots of glitter, and that is probably what you will expect from all of the pictures that I display on the video. Just me looking as glamorous as possible.